Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we are reviewing the best 3 screen recorders for free on computer and most importantly without a watermark. So let's get straight into it. The first one is Clipchamp. So I'm actually recording this video with Clipchamp. So this is it. It's very easy to use. You can download it from the Microsoft Store. It's free. So if I open the Microsoft Store here and I just search for Clipchamp, it will appear from the first page, from first homepage. Well, here it's not appearing, but if I just search for Clipchamp, yeah, it's free. It's very easy to use. So yeah, you can use that. It records up to 4K 60 FPS. So it's very easy. You can just click on a button and it will start recording your screen. And you can even edit in it if you want. It's a basic video editing software. So it's not very advanced editing. You can just cut, make little zooms, some subtitles, etc. But it does the job if you want some very basic editing and a screen recording software. I personally use it to screen record and then I edit my videos on CapCut, which is a perfect transition because the next app that I'm using is CapCut to edit my videos and to screen record. So here, if I go to CapCut, it's mostly known for its editing capabilities, but you can also record your own screens. So if I go to record here, and then I can choose my app that I want to record or the screen. So let's take this one, for example, and I click on start recording. It will record, right? And it will record in 1080 by 1920. And I think it can also record to 4K, right? So yeah, it's very cool. It's very easy to use too. You can just record and the video, the footage will automatically appear in your timeline right here as this one, for example. So this one was recorded with CapCut. I just had to click on record and then click on my screen and the video just appeared here. And that's it. Now moving on to the third one. It's not really a screen recording software, it's more of a streaming software, but you can record your screen. Now this one is more advanced because you can change the codec, you can change the frame rate, the FPS, the quality, etc. So you will have a lot of choices here. It's a bit more advanced and complicated to use, and you can't edit your videos, but it's still not that hard to use. You just need to follow what's going on and understand what you're doing, basically. So here, if you go to start recording, you can just start recording your own screen, but the thing is that it will only record this screen and not the other one because yeah, it may not appear in the video, but I have two screens, so yeah. As you can see here, you can't really choose the screen that you are recording. It will just record this screen. So yeah, basically, if I click on stop recording, it will just appear in my files, and I will find the file containing the screen record. It also records up to 4K 60 FPS, and I think it records even at 120 FPS. So it's really made for professionals, and all of these apps are free, guys. So you can download them right away. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video, this very quick video of a review where I gave my personal opinion about these three softwares. I use them on the daily. So my personal favorite is Clipchamp for screen recording and then CapCut for editing. And sometimes for streaming or for some more advanced programs, I use OBS. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.